here as 10. Okay, 26 I am getting. So I want to make it 0. So for this, again, I will go to solver. Anyways, both are same, value is 0. And I will add. So I want the answer here is equal to 0. So constraint is 0. Okay, add. I'm sorry. Okay. So which one we have taken actually? This one, right? Yeah. Simplex. Okay. If you are taking some values, if you take the linear equation or whatever the quadratic equation properly, definitely you will get. Okay. Proper answer you will get for sure. If you want, let me try one more equation. Let me try 2x minus 5 minus 3y. So I'll take x value and y value. I'll take x value as is equal to 0. So I'll take x value as 5 and y value as 1. Okay, so let me see what answer I am going to get. Is equal to, so 2 into B13 minus 5 minus 3 into C13. So I'm getting the answer as 2. Is that right? Maybe. Okay, now if I want to go, or if I want to change some values, just select that objective where you want to enter, and here if you want max or min value you can, or you can give value of 0, and you have to change this because it comes for previous one. Okay, now you have changed the variables. Now go to add, give cell reference as this one, and let me make is equal to exact value and make it as 0. Okay, so D14 is equal to 0. Let me see. So 2 into 2.5 is nothing but 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So you are getting. Have you seen? Have you seen this? Okay. I think that value is also right. Usually you will be having different answers, but that is also one correct answer. So I got 0, right? 3 into 0 is 0. So 2.5 into 2 is 5. Okay, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So you got the answer. Okay, but when you are using this solver and if you have to calculate, don't forget to change this. Okay, simplex LP should be there. GRG nonlinear must not be there. Okay, is that clear, Nana? Solver, how I made it? You can solve your equations using this. Boys, any doubts? Girls, any doubts? If that is done, I will go for the next chapter, linking data and spreadsheets. So shall I start new one? Okay, thank you. Why should we select simplex LP? Because if you are not going to select, you will be getting, already you are getting in decimal points. Both values you will get in decimal points if you are not going to select it. It will give in simple values. It won't go for big values. So now let us see how can you link the data. Previously, we have seen consolidating data or consolidating table, means where we can add some values. Okay. Now what I will make is, um, so please see here how I am going to input the data from other one. Before that, before inputting, you have to save your data. Okay. So I'm going to make it as link 1. I'm going to save it in desktop. Link 1. Okay, I'm saving it with that name. So now see here. Here I got data of tiger. How many are there in particular state? Okay, in 2010, 2014, and 2018. I want all that together without doing any kind of sum and all, without doing any automatic add-ons. Okay, so what I will do is I'm opening some other sheet and I am typing here. So you can do this using mouse as well as using keyboard. If you are using keyboard, what you have to do is equal to sum, open parenthesis, followed by say a single colon. So whatever the name you have saved, tiger census I have saved, and it is case sensitive. Means if you have typed in tiger in T is capital, so I have to type that as it is. Okay, followed by close the singular one and not equal to, and select wherever it is. B4 is to D4. So I'm going to select tiger census not equal to B4 is to D4, and then close the tab. Okay, and click on enter. See, I didn't do anything. I just entered the data here, but we can merge the data from other sheet also, and you can just copy and paste. Automatically you will get the other data. Okay, this is how you are going to link one sheet to other sheet. Okay, understood? Yeah or no? Understood how to link one worksheet to another worksheet? Sure, ma'am. You are taking examples of two worksheets. Okay, and I want the sum of these in another worksheet without copying. Okay, so what I have to do is first type the data here in one worksheet and take the headings, whatever you are typing. Okay, and after doing this, we have to give a formula is equal to sum of followed by the sheet name. Here, whatever the sheet name you have given, we need to give that. Okay, is equal to sum of, and you have to open that with a parenthesis. See here. See here. Please look here. See here, we need to type wherever you want the sum. Okay, you have to type in this way, is equal to sum of followed by single quotations, and you have to give the sheet name as, since I have given as Tiger Census, I am giving it as Tiger Census. If you want to give it as sheet 2, you can give. Okay, sheet 2 followed by single colon, you have to close, and exclamatory mark. Okay, exclamatory mark followed by the data, where whatever you want. See here, it is in B4, C3 and C4 and D4. So you have to give the reference and then click on enter. If you drag and drop it, automatically you are going to get the answer. And it is what relative reference will be used here. What is relative reference? Same formula will be used in other cells as well, without changing the formula, but we have to change the cell names and row numbers. Okay, understood. Now I have explained how to link data within the worksheet from one worksheet to another worksheet. In similar way, we can link from one workbook to another workbook. Let us see how we can make it. See here, I have typed my account in S Bank. I have a fixed deposit as 60,000 and account balance as 50,000. Okay. Now I just want to take the second one. Are you people able to see the second one? Now you got SBI Bank, or you people can see only S Bank? Give me confirmation regarding that. Are you people able to see SBI Bank here or S Bank only? Okay. Okay. Fine. See now, how about now? Are you people able to see? S Bank now, followed by SBI Bank. Okay. Now, see, this is SBI Bank. Okay, కనిపిస్తుందా? కనిపిస్తుందా నాన్న? ఓకే ఫైన్. సో ఎస్ బ్యాంక్ ఒక వర్క్ బుక్ లో టైప్ చేశాను. ఓకే, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఎస్ బ్యాంక్ కూడా ఉంది. సో ఈ రెండింటిని ఏం చేయాలంటే, ఐ వాంట్ టు లింక్ ఇట్. ఓకే, ఐ వాంట్ టు లింక్ ఇట్ విత్ ద థర్డ్ వర్క్ బుక్. అంటే ఈ రెండు డేటా థర్డ్ వర్క్, నాకు ఎఫ్డి మొత్తం ఇప్పుడు 60,000 ప్లస్ 50,000 1,10,000, అట్లానే 50,000 ప్లస్ 20,000 70,000 రావాలి ఎక్కడ థర్డ్ వర్క్ బుక్ లో. సో వాట్ ఐ విల్ డూ ఇస్ open a new file. I'm opening it as a blank document. Okay, so let me name it as example 4. I'm saving it as example 4. Okay. Now what I have to do is I need to copy the headings. So I'm taking here S Bank and I am making it as at both banks. Okay. And FD I'm making it as total FD and this one as total account balance. Okay. So for this, what I have to do, I'm deleting this, I'm deleting this value also. So when you are linking, unless మీరు అంతకుముందు దాంట్లో చక్కగా డ్రాగ్ చేసి డ్రాప్ చేశారు, అట్లా వర్క్ షీట్స్ కి అవుతుంది కానీ వర్క్ బుక్స్ కి అవ్వదు. ఓకే. సో ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు sum of open braces and give the name of the worksheet. Example 1. You have to open this with okay. Example 1 I have taken. Open with square brackets and close after giving that. And which sheet we have used? Sheet 1 only. So sheet 1 followed by 1 semicolon. We have started with 1 semicolon and now I am ending it with other semicolon and then exclamatory mark and use dollar symbol. Dollar S Bank B2. $2. Why I am using dollar symbol? Can anyone answer why I am using dollar symbol?
It is the standard value.
The value doesn't change. Okay. If you are using dollar, the value doesn't change. Whatever cell you have done, selected, only that will be taken. Okay. Next, example 2. Close the bracket. Again, sheet 1 only I am using, so I have taken sheet 1, again followed by semicolon close and exclamatory mark, dollar symbol, B $2 and closing. It is linked with other. Did I get or not? Okay. So when you are typing, the formula is very important. I'm telling again, is equal to sum of. I told for workbook, if you drag and drop, you are not going to get. See here, I will drag and drop. See, I'm getting the same value. So that won't work here. What we have to do, we have to type again is equal to sum open brackets. Please remember the formula carefully. Start with single quotation followed by square brackets and give the workbook name. Example 1 I have taken and close with square brackets. I have used sheet 1, so I am taking sheet 1. Close the quotations. Close the quotations and followed by exclamatory mark wherever the value you have entered. So B3 $3. Okay. And comma for the second value, means for the second sheet. Open single quotations again, open square brackets. Example 2, close square brackets, sheet 1 followed by single quotations closed, exclamatory mark, dollar B $3 and close the bracket. See here, 50,000 plus 20,000 is 70,000. The same I got. Okay. Even not only sum, if you want to do average, if you want to count, if you want to do max, just you have to insert the formula is equal to max of the same formula, whatever you type. Okay. Even you can do the same formula for max also. Okay, if you want max, just edit that, use max. So whichever is the maximum number you are getting. See here, 60,000 and 50,000 max you are getting. And same for min and same for count also. Whatever the arithmetic operations you want to do, you can do it. Understood, Nana? How to link workbooks? The formula is very important. Okay, so and they may ask in your final exam also, they may question the same, like giving this and write the formula what you have to use. So whenever you are doing it, make sure you see which column it is there and which number also it is there. That is must. Okay, you have to remember that. Hopefully you people understood this. Yes or no? Okay, please try. If you are having a PC, please try, then definitely you people will get, else you will not get. So next one is links. Next topic is links. So see here, I'm taking sheet 2. So in data, in insert tab, you are having link here. Okay, so if you want to create a link of some other, okay, see here, sheet 2, I am making it. Click on OK. So if I click on this, what happens? That sheet 1 will open. Okay, link. Suppose ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏదైనా వెబ్సైట్ కి వెళ్ళారనుకోండి, లింక్స్ క్లిక్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు కదా, లైక్ దట్ విల్ టేక్ యూ టు అదర్ విండో యాజ్ వెల్. ఓకే, లైక్ దట్ ఆ లింక్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవడానికి అనమాట. దిస్ ఈస్ విత్ ఇన్ ద షీట్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, గో టు లింక్ అగైన్ and see if you want some other file as a document, just select it. Book 5 I am taking and click OK. So what happens if you click on this link, what happens is whatever the one I have saved, it is opening. Suppose if it is not book 5, let me see some data. Wait, I'll take you people to notes. So see here, notes chapter link is clicked here, and so if I click on this, what happens is whatever the folder is that will open. Okay, I didn't open it directly, just I have created some links here and I'm typing. I just clicked on. Okay, and suppose if you want links externally, you can give email address and just give that, so that you can directly type the email. See here, it will directly to take you to the mail window if you want to type the mail. So if you want to save someone's mail ID and if you want to send some message, you can give links here in the workbook. Okay, so that you can send any data. And how can you import from others? See here link. From other data, if you want, go to data. See here, get data from file from workbook. Okay, so if you want to take some other data, what we can do is import. So you will get that particular value in here, whatever the data you want. See here, tiger census, I am making it and load, so that that particular data will be open here. See, okay, this is taking data from other, where you will have that data. See here, get data from file. So if you want to see from database, means if you have saved some database, then you can use this also. Okay, from web page if you want, then also you can open. But you should be able to access the data. So next class we'll be discussing sharing and reviewing a spreadsheet. Even that is a little bit easy one only. And the 9th chapter and the last chapter of spreadsheet, which is using macros in a spreadsheet, is a little bit difficult. Difficult in the sense you need to be more concentrated. Okay. So that's it for today. If there are any doubts, let me know, ma.